Lalapit lang natin kasi hindi pwedeng masyado malakas.
Ano yung kakantayin mo?
Teka nga. Just listen and wait. Ay. Pano naman itong mic na to, nakakainis. Okay. I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl that you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Yes, you did things I didn't give to you. Old friend, hindi ko makita. Ala. E. Teka lang, ano ba yung E? Hindi ko maalala. Nandiyan pa kayo? Buhay pa kayo?
O, nakikinig ako.
Yan naman ang unfair. Ako lang ang hindi marunong kumanta. Lahat kayo marunong.
Oo nga, ano?
Minding that for me, it isn't over.
Baby, I'll find someone like you. O, di ba? Alam ko yung kanta?
Kaya lang. Never mind, I'll find. Ano ba yan? Sorry. Never mind, nababasa. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it hurts in love and sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it hurts.
That's my sister.
In love and sometimes.
That's my mom. She's in Canada.
Ayun na yun.
Alam mo, Chums, actually, pag